Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. In front of me are my binders of my hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letters. This is the last 30 weeks of 2021 that Sabrina, the Mismatch Crafter, and I did a pocket letter a week. And I thought I would do one whole video and show you every pocket letter for the last 30 weeks. And Happy New Year's everybody, because it is January 5th when you will be seeing this. So let's go. So, they're all in a binder. Oops! Gotta move my camera just a smidgen because I'm not going to take them out of the binder. And I want to say we started this, 6/9/21. I started dating them and I realized I quit dating them. So, let's put this up a little bit. There we go. So this is week 1. And of course, I did front and back of the pocket letters. So this is the flamingo one. And then the little mermaids on the back. I did an artist one. My mixed media backgrounds. And of course, another my mixed media is on the background again. And of course, I had to do a Julie netting one. So this was just, what is that? June. Started these in June. And now we're in July. 4th of July. Really blinged up this one, I tell ya. And again. You guys can lower just a smidgen. There you go. And then I did the little girls. I did these little chunky unicorns. And then on this side, I did some Dollar Tree stickers. It's just, and use the Dollar Tree stickers. And then I have these little chunky stickers here, the unicorn, and the little dumplings are a Daiso sticker. I got them in friend mail. I've had them for years. So it was a good opportunity to use a lot of stuff, a lot of stickers that I had. And then we came to Christmas in July. So we did Santa on the beach. And then I just did a Christmas one. And then we have a farmy little farm setting one. Again, little stuff I had for years. And then cows. I love cows, so I did a cow one. Just little images I had for years. This is one of my favorite paper lines. It is through Hobby Lobby. It's boho. I got a Dreamcatcher hair hanging. I just love this paper line. I'm going to do me a journal. I bought it again on clearance not long ago. And there's the back side. And I love Holly Hobby, so I had to do a Holly Hobby one. Sorry you're hearing that. Me moving it back and forth so you guys can see both sides. Then I kind of did a boho one here. A different type of boho. A lot of bling. I like my bling. I think it's tough. There we go. And then we have this one on the back side, which was some more Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby stickers. And then we have Labor Day. And of course the back side is Labor Day as well. And then Raggedy Ann and Andy. Thought they were cute when I saw them. Their images off Etsy. And then Strawberry Shortcake. Or Raggedy Ann and Andy on back of this one. I got ahead of myself. I'm sorry. Oh, lost a piece. Oh, that's what was right there. Okay, there we go. Yeah, look. Okay. And then strawberry shortcake. And then a strawberry shortcake again. And a steampunk one. This one's heavy. So a lot of these are real metal pieces that I've used. And then the back side. And the last one in this binder is just these stickers from the Dollar Tree with my mixed media paper. And then cats and dogs with my mixed media paper. I thought it was funny. That is the first binder. For me to close it, I got it. Put it back this way. So we started back in June on the 9th of June. Can you imagine if we did a whole year? Oy, oy, oy. That'd be a lot of pocket letters. And eventually I'll probably give some away. So here is the second binder. I had to move into 2 binders. So hashtag 30 pockets letters. And in this one we start in October. So here's Halloween. These are all Dollar Tree stickers. And just paper I had. And these are those little cutouts from the Dollar Tree. They call them journaling cards, but I fussy cutted them. And then this is Bo Bunny this year. I think it was Bo Bunny. I could be mistaken. I got it off Peachy Cheap. Made a shaker in the middle. This is one of my favorites. So I bought all of these stickers at Tuesday morning, and I wanted to make something for myself. This is probably one I will not give away. So I love my little Frankenstein and how I did this one. And then it has my mixed media paper. And then there's that one also on the back. And then we go into fall. And that's where I am right now when I'm videoing this. As right here. That's how far ahead that I've gone to do my pocket letters. I'm always ahead. So this was week 22. And right now, I think week 23 is up. Yeah, this week's right here. So that's how far ahead I'm doing videos, guys. But we all do that. Or most of us do that. I like that, having that option. So and then this one. This one is, I was like, this is a Dollar Tree stickers. I thought, what can I do with them? You know? So I played around. Thought it turned out good. Yep. There we go. I don't know if I showed you that one. There we go. And then the Thanksgiving one. And the Christmas. The last few weeks. Christmas. Christmas again. And then I did the 25 days of Christmas. This is where I ended up with having 31 pocket letters, because this is 1 through 25. So this is right now 1 through 9 on this side. And 10 through 18 on this side. And then 19 through 25 on this side. And then just did a little winter scenery on this one. Or Christmas, whatever you want to call it. And then the last one I did snowman. And this is the one you saw last week. And there we go. So that's all 31 pocket letters I did for 30 weeks of 2021. Like I said, I may pull one out like next year during Halloween and send it. Or I may just take the cards out and send out a card. I don't know yet. I haven't got that far in my thinking. But I thought I'd do one whole video so you guys can see all of them. Oh. And then these binders aren't light. They're very thick. So I want to thank you guys who's watched the last 30 weeks of the hashtag. Okay, I'm going to say that again. Hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter. I have enjoyed making a pocket letter. I did them ahead of time because I'd sit here and watch other YouTubers and work on the pocket letter. So that's why I'm so far ahead, because I'm videoing this on the 13th of November. But now, you know what? I can work on Christmas stuff. Woohoo! So I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope 2022 starts so good with a bang. And I will see you in another video, guys. Happy New Year, everybody. Bye. Thanks for watching.